Hey neighbors, welcome back. Just a little quick tip for you here. If you're working out in the shop and your workbench here is sitting too high, but the floor is too low because your back's a little sore from carrying the weight of the world. If you got drawers on your workbench, as I'm fortunate enough to, here's what you're going to do. Just pull those out. Just ignore what's in the drawers. Just pull that out. Take whatever you got laying around. Set that on there. Okay, there, set that up there. There we go. Now, I can take the piece of thing that I'm working on here, that I got some scraping to do, some old glue I got to scrape off of there. All that's going to do is it just changes the height of your workbench from the too high, where you're too high here and you're too low down there. Kind of gives you an interim height for the thing. Might be just right for you. Anyway, hope that helps. All right, get back to work. Bye.